Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Landrover Defender. It's a Pioneer unit. So we go to settings and then just make sure Bluetooth is on. We're watching out at the bottom. Over to the unit, we press this silver button here, the kind of mode and menu button. Telephone is over there, audio visual there, so we click on telephone, no device. You've got the settings, the cogs there. We click on the settings, and then you've got connection. Now connection there, it's a bit vague. So on some units, as soon as you press that, it starts looking, nothing's happening here. What you have to do, this magnifying glass, the search icon, click on that, now it's looking. Doesn't do anything before that. You could sit here for a long time. So we're watching here at the bottom. It will give you a pin code, or usually it gives you a pin code of 0000, but then it generates, if you do it this way, it generates a random pin code. So rather than having to put it in on the phone, you just have to agree the pin code. So Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, there you see pin code 0000. It's looking here. There you go. Would you like to pair with this device? And it's generated the random pin code 227879. So pair, and yes, you'll see there it had come up at the bottom. It comes up as AVIC. So allow contacts and favorites to sync. And there you go, AVIC F9, and that's it connected, and it's connected on here.